Hi, welcome to Fit Be Well Recipes and a very happy and healthy new year to you. Today I share with you this really quick recipe to make some refreshing turmeric tea. And no, it is not going to taste pungent at all the way you think. Its sweet, aromatic and mood-lifting flavor is sure to impress you. We all know the anti-inflammatory and antiseptic properties of turmeric and how healthy it is. But it's equally important to know that the absorption of turmeric in our body is possible only when you compound it with black pepper. And this turmeric tea makes the best use of all healthy ingredients in the right proportion to get you one of your favorite teas. So let's get started. For this, I've taken about an inch of cinnamon, 4 to 5 tulsi leaves, 2 cloves, about 6 to 7 peppercorns, less than an inch of ginger, a teaspoon of turmeric powder, and some jaggery. Now, except for jaggery and turmeric powder, I'd be adding all the ingredients to my mortar and pestle and would make a coarse powder out of it. So here's how it looks. So in a vessel, I add 2 cups of water. Let's heat this. Now as the water heats, we are going to add the ground powder. We let this mixture boil for a couple of minutes and add the jaggery. And then add the turmeric powder. Let's give it a good stir and let it boil for some more time. We are done, so let's put off the flame. Let's strain it. Gorgeous color, isn't it? This quantity yields 2 cups of turmeric tea. You can have this as a morning drink or an evening beverage for like twice or thrice a week. Oh, by the way, I was recently introduced to the Via Pop Cup Tumbler and I'd really want to recommend it to you if you're looking at options to carry your hot or cold beverages along with you. It is easy on grip and the lid is free from BPA. The interior is made of double-walled vacuum insulated stainless steel, which helps in retaining a constant hot or cold temperature for at least 2 hours. Its sleek design enables it to easily fit into cup holders. What's more, the vibrant color and look can really enrich your drinking experience. Well, how did you like this tea? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and if you like this recipe, please give it a thumbs up and share it across with your friends. That would help me reach more fitness-driven people like you. For a more detailed recipe, you can check out the link in the description. And if you're here for the first time, don't forget to click subscribe and hit the bell icon. Do catch up with me on Instagram and visit my website Fit Be Well. Stay tuned for my next video, and until then, take care and bye-bye.